Well, in fact, the news right now which is coming in is that Bangladesh forces allegedly fired at the Indian side. There has been firing which has been reported along the Bangladesh border. The incident occurred at 9:30 a.m. today, and we're also getting information through our sources that a 40-year-old farmer has been killed while a 13-year-old has been injured. Prema now joining us with more details. Yes, Prema.
Well, what we heard is that a farmer had gone as he goes every day to farm, and that's when he was questioned by the border guard of Bangladesh. And when he tried to reason with them, there was an altercation, and they tried to take him away. That's when other farmers over there intervened, saying that he has been coming there all this while. And in this process, there was firing, and one 12-year-old boy was also injured because a bullet hit his foot, while the 30-year-old man named Abdul Farid has died in this entire altercation that took place between the border guard of Bangladesh and the farmers over here. Back to you.
Do we also have any reaction coming in from the Trinamool Congress, Prema?
No reaction is yet from the Trinamool Congress yet, though an Trinamool Congress MLA has left for the spot to see what's the situation and takes talk of the situation over there. But the ADG BSF has said that this point of time not willing to give out more details, apart from the fact that he's confirmed that the shooting has taken place, but because it is also an incident that has taken place at the border and another country is involved, they have to investigate further before giving out more details as to what will take place next. Back to you.
What is the response from the border security forces along along the place where the firing incident has been reported?
Right now, no word coming in yet from the personnel at the border. But again, like I said, the ADG BSF has said that the shooting did take place, but cannot really confirm what really led to this entire thing and what is the next procedure, considering that another country is involved in this particular incident. But of course, over there, a lot of tension with the farmers demanding justice and asking why the 32-year-old man was killed in this entire altercation. Back to you.
So what we understand, Prema, right now is that the farmer had gone to his own land to tilt the land like he does as usual on other days. But this time he was going beyond the zero line. That's what the Bangladesh border guard Bangladesh forces have alleged, which led to the firing.
Well, like you said, this is exactly what happened. The farmer went there to farm. This is 150 yards beyond the zero line, and this part is still considered India. And the farmer had gone there to farm like he does every day. When he was intercepted by the force of the border guard Bangladesh over there, and when they tried to ask him questions and he tried to reason with them, there were other farmers that came forward also to say that he was coming here every day. It was nothing new. And that's when this entire altercation broke out. So right now, even as the ADG BSF is saying that the shooting has taken place, they're not willing to divulge more details as to what really led to them firing and what led to the 32-year-old farmer dying in this entire altercation. Back to you.
All right. So news that we're getting is that a firing has been reported at the Bangladesh border, where a farmer who had gone to tilt his land got into an altercation with the border guard Bangladesh forces. Prema, also tell us more about the incident. When did it happen? And we also are hearing that a 13-year-old has been injured in the incident.
The incident took place today, some time ago, when this farmer had gone to 150 yards beyond zero line, where he had gone there to farm, and like he does every day. And when an altercation broke out between the border guard of Bangladesh, who tried to take him away, when the farmers who came forward to support Hajipur Muhammad, the farmer who was farming over there, that's when the altercation broke out, and the border guard Bangladesh fired over there. And in this entire process, a 12-year-old boy, a relative of this farmer, was injured when a bullet hit his foot. So clearly, a lot of people over there upset with this incident, and tension prevails even as the Trinamool Congress MLA from Islampur has gone to the spot, while the ADG BSF has confirmed the shooting but not willing to give out more details as to what really led to this firing taking place. Back to you.
All right, Prema, so the news that we're getting is that 12-year-old boy, in fact, a bullet allegedly hit his foot, while the farmer in this particular incident has succumbed to his injuries. We also know that Trinamool Congress MLA Abdul Karim Chaudhary has gone to the spot to investigate what had happened. But any word coming in from the party, Prema?
No word yet coming in from the party, but we are expecting a reaction probably coming in from the government on this particular incident. Whether or not the ADG, BSF would be willing to divulge further details at this point in time is not yet certain.
All right, Prema, be with us. We're just getting some reaction from BSF ADG BD Sharma. Let's listen in.
One person has died. We are getting details. My officers have gone to the spot and they'll give me a report sometime in the another an hour's time. There was apparently some conflicting reports coming. Some people say there was a harvesting dispute between the villages of both sides. Some people say it could be something else. And then there was firing by BGB in which one person has died. His name is Abdul Farid, Muhammad Abdul Farid, 40-year-old man. And this was near the BOP Makrahat, and there was a bullet injury in the head of this man. He died on the spot, and then one child has been injured, a little child, 12-year-old child. He has been injured in the left thigh. He has been shifted to Raiganj Hospital.
From BSF ADG on the entire incident.